Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover three essential tasks for managing a Windows Server 2022, setting up a static IP address, renaming the server, and enabling remote desktop. Static IP address. Assigning a static IP address ensures that your server has a fixed and changing address on your network. This is crucial um, for consistent access to services like file sharing, domain hosting, or web services. Now, renaming your server, giving your server a clear descriptive name makes network management easier. It improves organization, especially in environment with multiple servers. So enabling remote desktop, activating remote desktop allows you to manage your server from anywhere, streamlining maintenance and troubleshooting. By the end of this video, you will learn or understand how to configure these core settings for more stable and accessible server environment. So without wasting further time, let us get started. So let us start by assigning a static IP address to our server. Before doing that, let us check our CMD, open the command prompt and type this command ipconfig to see the IP configuration. So this is the IP version 4 of our server here, 10.0.2.15, and this is the subnet mask, and here this is the default gateway. We need those information to set up a static IP address to our server. So in front of Ethernet here, click on this IP address and double click on your Ethernet card here, click on properties. Now double click on let me show you, double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on use the following IP address. So let us set up the IP address of our server. This is the same as we have on our computer, and the subnet mask is 2.255.255, sorry, that 255.255.0, and the default gateway here is 10.0.2 the 2, and here preferred DNS, we're gonna use Google DNS. We're gonna change this because we are setting up this, use this DNS 8.8.8.a, and check validate settings upon exit and click on OK. OK again and close this, also close. You can cancel this. Now if we refresh here, we can now see that our server has an IP address here, and this IP address is a static IP address. So if we IP config again, you can see that we have the same information as before. So that's it. Now, what about renaming our server computer? It's very important, as I told you earlier. So where it's a large environment with multiple server where identifiable name is important. So let us rename our server. Click on here, you have computer name, click on computer name here, and then click on change, and here is the name. So let us name our server for example 01, and click on OK. So instead, you might restart your computer to apply these changes. So before restarting, save any open files and close all programs. Let's close this and close. So let us restart our computer. Because if we don't restart our computer, all the changes that we made won't be applied. So in order to take effect, we have to first restart our computer, our server. Just wait, it won't take that long. This first step are very important when you're setting up your server for the first time. Assigning a static IP address, renaming your server, and then enabling remote desktop. Enter your password here. I already installed the server, so if you want to show you how you can install a Windows Server 2022 on VirtualBox, I can do I can make a whole video for that, but this is not part of this video. It can be a whole different video. So just wait your server manager to open, and here click on local server, and here you can see now our computer name has changed from the old name to server dash 01 dash 01. And here static IP address. If we look at here remote desktop, we see that disabled by default. Let us enable this. Just click on disable, and then you see here choose an option and then specify who can connect. Allow remote connection to this computer. Choose allow remote connection to this computer and click on OK. Pop up, and here you can select a specific users, but for the time being is a new server. We are setting up everything. Maybe we can do that later. Just cancel this, click on apply, and then OK. If you refresh here, you can see now our remote desktop is enabled. We rename our server, and our server has static IP address. Congratulations, this is the first video in the Windows 2022 series that I'm gonna be showing how you can become a Windows Server 2022 administrator. So today, let us recap what you learned. Have learned how to set up a static IP address for a server. You have learned also how to rename, to give a descriptive name to your server, and then enable remote desktop. Congratulations, keep it up, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.